is 6174. Right. So we'll end our class here today. But before that, I would like to have your reflection on what you understood from this kind of mathematics, which does not involve any formula, but which gives you so much insight into our own number system. So, Anne, what do you think? What did you learn today?
So I learned that so in a three-digit number, any random number, you would take the highest and the lowest number, subtract them, and then like keep on doing that, and then you would get 495, which is like shocking because like any random number would get you that one particular number. It's like, okay, why doesn't it give you any other numbers? Well, I mean, yeah, it does give us numbers, but then when you like keep on doing it, you'll get this, you'll end up with one particular number.
With 495.
Addition and subtraction.
So let me tell you that this particular book, which I am writing, is for junior students, where in grade 3 and 4, normally they are doing addition and subtraction with 3 and 4 digit numbers. So, Anne, what do you think they will feel when they get this kind of an activity to do?
I feel like they'd be really excited because, like, as grade three and fours, they'd be very curious, but to see, okay, this three-digit number, okay, like you can take a number, two digits, not the same, but then the three-digit number, you take the highest number that you can get, and then the lowest, and then subtracting, keep going. So like
Yeah.
do that a lot of times. And the funny part is, I'm in grade seven. I haven't learned this. When I was in grade three, I'm pretty sure if I was in grade three, I would be trying this like five or six times
Correct.
just to see if it would work.
Yeah, even with four digit numbers, 6174, you land up. Even when you land up at 6174, you won't believe that it is true, and you're going to try with many numbers. And that way, it is going to be a fun exercise for our children in junior schools to practice, learn, and understand how the numbers behave and how interesting these numbers can be, right? It's a kind of discovery.
Yeah.
And they can play this as a game with their friends, even with their parents. Like, let's do this and see what do we land up. I'm already telling you the answer. The answer is 6174.
Or it could be like a mysterious game. So I have a number. Whoever figures out um what the number is the winner.
Yes. So after doing this iteration for let's say 7 times, the number which you land with is 6174. Let's test it out. That would be interesting exercise, correct?
Yeah.
Well, maximum it takes 7 iterations to get to this number. In our first case, we were lucky to get it in the third iteration, third repetition. That was great. Tell me, how did you find this exercise of finding the greatest number, lowest number, adding, subtracting, and things like this?
I found this really interesting for many reasons. One, because this kind of topic, they don't teach it in school. So if they did, I feel like students would become more engaged. Like as a younger student, they would like start calculating, okay, this number would equal this. Okay, then they would start to be like, okay, this is like so interesting. Also, in addition, this would have probably never been taught for me in school
Yeah.
as I'm learning. The only thing they teach in school is okay, addition and subtraction. This is how you add, this is how you subtract, borrow, regroup.
I love that spirit. So, the whole idea of doing all these exercises is to get that spirit of math and to enjoy it and to wonder. And that's what you have gained, and I'm so happy about it. And I feel that if such things are introduced in school, the students will really be inspired by math. And that's the whole objective, inspired by math and by the mathematicians, great mathematicians like D.R. Kaprekar.
Exactly, because like many students, they find math as something that's not really like their favorite.
Yeah,
But if they did include like these stories about people who have actually created this, because I feel like people should know about him because he's
yes,
so great,
yeah.
right? So they should know about him and then they'll find math more interesting and like be more engaged in it.
I love that point, storytelling and learning. And that's another key issues which we should include in our math curriculums, especially at junior levels, right? So I appreciate what you are saying. Great thoughts, and I really thank you for such beautiful thoughts. So, with that, let's end our lesson, today's lesson on how do we subtract four-digit numbers and land up at 6174. That's so nice.
And three-digit numbers and end up at 495.
Great. Okay, then. Bye for now. Thank you.
Bye.
All the best.
Now it's your turn to think boldly, explore patterns, and ask powerful questions. With every video, we'll guide you step by step. Because math is not just what you learn, it's how you think. Inspired by Math is for curious minds, creative thinkers, and junior mathematicians ready to explore the world with numbers. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a passionate educator, this journey is for you.